Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an announcement channel on Discord, even if you don't see the option at first. So first of all, come here on discord.com. Then you just have to select that particular server where you want to create the announcement channel. For example, let's say I've selected this particular server over here. Now, if you don't see any of the announcement options over here, you need to first of all enable this particular option. For that, simply click on the name of your server. Then among the given options, simply click on the option of the server settings. Now inside the server settings, you will be shown the option of enable community. So I have already enabled that. So you are going to see the option of enable community here. So simply click on that and click on the option of get started. So this way, all of the options associated with that particular server are going to be opened in front of you. So now after doing this, you just have to simply hover over to that particular category and where you want to basically add the announcement channel. So simply click on the option of the plus icon of create channel right next to that particular category, and then you just have to simply look for the option of announcement. Now you need to give a channel name, so you can give it something like anything, and then click on the option of create channel. So this way your announcement channel is going to be created, which is going to look something like this. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.